In BricsCAD, the user interface includes everything that you need and nothing that you don't. Hover over a model element and a rollover tip will display that element's properties. Different types of elements will display different property sets. The quad cursor is a context-sensitive tool panel. Right-click on any empty space on your screen, and you'll see the quad in its no selection state. Move your cursor onto the display icon, and the quad expands. The most relevant commands are on the top bar, and the pull-downs will show all available commands by category. Move your cursor over any model element. The rollover tip will appear. Then, move your cursor onto the rollover tip. The quad opens and shows you the tools that you can use on the selected element.